Are you confused on how to use essential oils during your bath time? Let's make this happy rose bath powder so that your skin can be super soft and luxurious. With this recipe, you can go from having dry, irritated skin from sitting out in the sun to having super soft and luxurious skin. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started on this new recipe. First things first, you're gonna wanna grab your July recipe box and your big bonus box, and we'll see what we need for these recipes. First thing you're gonna wanna grab is the recipe card. You are gonna use Palmarosa and Tangerine for the essential oils. You're gonna grab your Natrasorb bath powder, your rose petals. From your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your almond oil, and from your kitchen or the Simply Earth website, a 1 ounce sealable container. The first step says to mix a half a tablespoon of almond oil with your essential oils. So it's 3 drops of Palmarosa, and 2 drops of Tangerine. We're gonna mix these together. Smells absolutely amazing. You guys are gonna love this recipe. All right, next step is you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the Natrasorb bath powder. This Natrasorb bath powder is gonna make your skin super soft. You guys are gonna love this. All right, we're gonna mix this up so that the essential oils, almond oil, and the Natrasorb are mixed together evenly. It kind of looks a little bit like tapioca pudding. Now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of our rose petals. If you guys want to just put the whole rose petal into the recipe, you can do that too. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Okay, everything is mixed together. I'm gonna put this guy into a sealable container and then I'm gonna label it. All right, now that it's in my sealable container, I'm gonna go ahead and label it. I'm gonna put my lid on first. Ta-da! You can make this happy rose bath powder too. Let's test it out. When you're ready to use this guy, you can take a tablespoon out at a time if you want to, or you can put the whole jar under running water and watch it disintegrate into the bathtub. Your skin's gonna be super soft and it smells amazing. One quick tip, after you've drained your bath water out, you're gonna wanna collect the rose petals so that they don't go down the drain. I'd love to see all of your creations, and when you guys go ahead and make different recipes with the recipe we already gave you. Go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all of your wonderful recipes. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making natural recipes so easy. Go get yours today.